Today we are investigating deep into the world of beetroot and its miraculous juice, definitely exploring their profound benefits for men's health also. Beyond its humble appearance lies a treasure trove of health benefits backed by science. Let's unlock the secret together. Beetroot, scientifically known as Beta vulgaris, has been cherished since ancient times for its medicinal properties. Packed with essential nutrients, this crimson root vegetable boasts an impressive display of health benefits. But what exactly makes beetroot and its juice so potent? First off, beetroot is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folate, potassium, and manganese. But what truly sets it apart is its abundant supply of nitrates. Lower blood pressure. First and foremost, let's talk about heart health. Cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension and heart disease, are significant concerns for men. Fortunately, beetroot contains high levels of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in dilating blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. This cardiovascular benefit alone makes beetroot a heart-healthy superstar. By incorporating beetroot or its juice into the diet, men can potentially reduce their risk of heart-related ailments. But wait, there's more. Beetroot and its juice are also known for their potent antioxidant properties thanks to compounds like beta-alanes. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect against chronic disease. Prostate health. Furthermore, let's discuss the importance of prostate health, a significant concern for men as they age. Primarily, research suggests that beetroot may offer protective against prostate cancer. Compounds like beta-alanes and beta-cyanins found in beetroot exhibit potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which could help mitigate the risk of prostate cancer development. Incorporating beetroot into the diet may serve as a proactive measure for men's prostate health. In addition to these targeted benefits, beetroot offers a myriad of nutrients that support overall well-being, including immune function, energy production, and hormonal balance, all of which are crucial for men's health. Improved exercise performance. Moreover, research suggests that beetroot consumption may enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen delivery to muscles and reducing the oxygen cost of exercise. Athletes can potentially go the extra mile with beetroot juice as their secret weapon. By increasing nitric oxide levels, beetroot juice may improve oxygen delivery to muscles, delay fatigue, and enhance overall performance during physical activities, making it a natural pre-workout supplement for men seeking that extra edge. Erectile function. At the heart of beetroot potential lies its high nitrate content. When consumed, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in the relaxation of blood vessels, including those in the P. By promoting vasodilation, nitric oxide facilitates increased blood flow to the E tissue, resulting in an improved E function. This mechanism aligns with the action of common ED medications known as phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitors, although through a natural pathway. While research on the direct effects of beetroot on E function is ongoing, preliminary studies have shown promising results. One study found that men with ED who consume beetroot juice experience improvements in E function compared to a control group, enhanced cognitive function, and let's not forget about its potential role in supporting brain health. Some research indicates that the nitrates in the beetroot may have positive effects on cognitive function and brain health, potentially by increasing blood flow to the brain, thus sharpening focus and memory. Support for liver health. Certain compounds in the beetroot, such as beta-alanes, have been studied for their potential to support liver health and function. You might be wondering, how can I incorporate beetroot into my daily routine? Fear not. Whether you prefer it roasted, steamed, or juiced, there are countless delicious ways to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have you tried incorporating beetroot into your diet? Share your experiences in the comments below. See you next time.